intambo abanye bafake. And what's with evil bracelets, those evil eye bracelets? And always Mashuta, I want to ask about those things. What's with evil?
Hi, please tell us
those things in the comments. Please tell us about those bracelets ezigcwele all over Joburg la. Abantu bawafakile la bracelet lawo.
How do we waste?
Enziwe China la abhalwe made in China. Those
do
bracelets.
You see how we waste our time in things like, even though, as I was telling you, Guti, they will say, China, they are no churches. The churches that are there, Mangani, Tinala. Do you see, Guti, basithengisela izinto because of they know ukuthi abantu abamnyama bathanda izinto.
Thina vele wa consumers.
Yeah.
What we don't produce.
Angafika ngeza manje ngakuthengisela ngathi le yasebenza le. Usenkingeni uzoyikhumbula and take it. Why can't you put that faith in God?
Angimboni. That's the thing. Umuntu ukholwa into ayibonayo.
Uvuka kanjani every day because of nenyanga yakho idepende ekuvukeni kuNkulunkulu. Wasashembe udepende kuNkulunkulu ukuthi